Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So as you guys see by the title, we are going to be trying out the Dior matte foundation. I did a review on the Glow foundation, and if you guys missed that video, I'll put it up right up here so you guys could take a look. Now I really love that Dior Forever Glow foundation. Really love that foundation for our dry girls. So I want to try it out for my oily girls to see how, you know, it feels on the skin, and also for myself because I usually wear matte foundation as well. Some of them is not too matte on the skin and I could get away with it, so why not try it out on my dry skin? I just want to, you know, try it out for you guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it on my skin, but we're going to see. So I got a sample of it. This is it here. And I got the same shade, which is 5 Neutral, okay? So this is the liquid formula. It's a medium coverage, hydrated, long wearing. Also, it's SPF. I think it's SPF 15. A new generation Dior foundation with 24-hour transfer, proof wear, with skincare ingredients. This matte formula visible improves skin over time. Now, the Glow foundation is very hydrating on my skin, so hopefully I get a little hydration with this one as well. Okay, I don't really have a lot to play with as always, but this is it here. And we're gonna try it out. So I'm gonna go in with this primer here. This is from e.l.f. I really don't have anything on my skin, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of the primer. I hope you guys tried out the Glow foundation. This foundation is really nice for our dry girls. So I recommend that you guys try it out, get a sample, and let me know what you guys think. I actually want to get the Glow one, but I have to save up, girl, to get that foundation. It's expensive. It's $52. Like, that's a lot, okay? That's a light bill right there. So I also have a review on this primer as well. It's like really good. I compare it with the Milk Cosmetics primer, and I actually like this one better. See how nice my skin look, girl? She is glowing. Girl, I've been drinking my water, you know, trying to stay hydrated. I think I'm going to try it out on this side first to see how it feels on the skin. We really don't have a lot to play with. Oh my gosh, she was being so stingy with the foundation. At least she could have given me a little bit more. I'm going to try to use all of this for my entire face. I'm going to do one side first, and I'm just going to staple it in to see how it feels on the skin first. It has a fragrant smell like the Glow, as you guys see. This is going on really nicely. I'm gonna take it and put it all over the eye so you can match. This is a beautiful finish. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm not sure for the matte finish yet. I'm gonna test that out, but so far I'm really liking the coverage. Beautiful. Move it with my hairline so it looks the same. It's actually covering my spots really nicely. Really good. So I'm gonna take a little bit more. We really, like I said, we don't have a lot. You guys see how it looks? It looks really nice. Love it. It feels really comfortable. I'm not sure if it's matte yet, but we'll see when it's settled into the skin. But so far I'm loving the coverage. It's like the same thing as the Glow foundation. I actually do like this foundation. This is definitely for oily skin. You guys gonna like it. I mean, I could get away wearing this, but I would have to spray the face to get a little comfort in my skin. It is a matte finish. It's not too matte on my skin, but I could feel, you know, that it's matte. But I definitely will get the glow one than this one. This is not for me, but I still do like how it looks, and it settled into the skin really, really nice as the other one. Applying this on the skin as a matte foundation, it really don't feel matte when I'm applying it. It just feels very smooth as the glow foundation. So I was a bit surprised because this is a matte finish. Let me see if I spray the face, if it will feel a little better. So I'm using the Pretty Fresh setting spray. I just want to see if I feel a little bit more better because it's a little bit tight, but this dried on really fast, so it's not going to take that long. Okay, so now it feels a little bit much better if you spray the face. So yeah, I could get away wearing this. It's really, really nice. I really do like the way that it feels on my skin. It says that it's transfer proof wear. I don't even think, yeah, I put a little bit of powder under the neck. So let's see if it's transfer proof. Yeah, it is transfer proof. I don't see anything on my hand. Yeah, it's transfer proof. Yep. Okay. So that's really good. And this foundation is pretty expensive. I like the fact that they have SPF in there. This looks really, really nice, as you guys could see on this side. I am so impressed with this foundation, but I definitely will get the glow one instead of this one. I could get away wearing either one of them. I sprayed a little bit and it really don't feel too matte on my skin now. But if you wear it on its own and you have dry skin, you will feel like your skin is like tightening up a little bit. I'm really impressed with this foundation as well. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the shade as well. I think 5 Neutral works really good on my skin and I love it. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video as well, guys. Sharing is caring, and also we still have this goal that we want to reach for the year. We just started and we're doing really good, so continue pushing this video out and keep on sharing the video, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys on the channel, and to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning, and thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.